There's nothing like spending a day out on the water. Accidents happen in a flash, so you need to be prepared. Box kits are bulky and disorganized, far from ideal. Thankfully, a new waterproof first aid kit is making a splash. Introducing the Surviveware Large Waterproof First Aid Kit. IPX7 certified waterproof rating, 600D TPU material. With premium quality internal supplies. Great for road trips. Designed to protect your supplies. Portable and versatile. 100% waterproof. No more fumbling around to find what you need, because this kit is so well organized it becomes your guide during an emergency. So invest in an organized system for you and your loved one's safety. Surviveware. Our kits do the thinking for you.